is how you climb a mountain here. That's right. That's right. Just, you're heading up Spruce Knob.
It's a high point in West Virginia.
What? It is?
This one is.
Oh, no wonder we wanted to come over here. Okay, I got it. I see. Go up this high point here. Traveling on US 33. Head west on County Road 3314. At around 2.4 miles, turn left onto Public Road 112. Follow 112 for about 7 miles, and then turn right onto Public Road 104. Follow 104 for about 2 miles to the Spruce Knob parking lot.
That's east overlook.
Beautiful. Beautiful.
Scenic and majestic.
All in one, here in West Virginia. Welcome to the top of the mountain state.
West Virginia.
West Virginia.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, here we are. Spruce Knob. Spruce Knob. We hiked up here with the truck. My hike, but I'm gonna finish it for you on foot. I gotta finish my beach stick. I think might be the wheels on it.
Over this way.
I think we should do it. This has got to be it. Sorry, buddy.
Where's
Oh, yeah. Gotta be. I'll follow you.
Here we are.
Here we are at the top of West Virginia right now.
The very highest.
The highest point you can possibly be.
We're actually in a tower on
That's
the highest. So, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Look at that.
That's how you know it's the highest point here.
Yep. We're heading north still. Heading up to, State Highpointing.
That's right. Another one. We got another one to get in the bag.
And we're on fire.